Hi. Today we'll be talking about the endocrine system, since we have finished with the brain, the parts of the brain, the spinal cord's function, and the CNS and the PNS, which is the central nervous system, and the peripheral nervous system. So now we'll be talking about the endocrine system and its relation and release to hormones, okay? The endocrine system is a set of glands that release or secrete hormones that affect many different biological processes in our bodies, like, let's say, the function of the neurotransmitters. But of course, neurotransmitters are different from the hormones when it comes to the term of time, effect, or impact, the way it's released, and the location of release. So it's a different ball game, but we're talking about the same effect on the body when it comes to the release and how it works in the body. Okay, so here it's again the endocrine system, set of glands. Responsibility is to release hormones that affect many different biological processes in the body. Okay, so the endocrine system is it's controlled by something called the hypothalamus. The endocrine system, okay, the controller of the endocrine system is the hypothalamus, and the hypothalamus produces, just let me highlight, the hypothalamus, okay, which controls the endocrine system, okay, produces separate hormones. We call them stimulators or inhibitors, okay? Stimulators, they stimulate. Inhibitors, they inhibit, they stop, they pause. They do some kind of pausing. Production in the pituitary gland. Okay, so the endocrine system is controlled by the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus produces inhibitors and stimulators hormones, okay, in the pituitary gland. Now, the pituitary gland is known as the master gland. Okay, who controls? The hypothalamus. The master gland is the pituitary gland. So this is an example of we call it the supply chain. It's like a supply chain, by the way, okay? This is the chain of command. We have the hypothalamus, and then controlled by the pituitary, okay? The pituitary is the master gland. Produces prehormones like gonadotropin, which is a releasing hormone, okay? And then it flows in the blood, the testicles, okay? And then we have the testosterone. Again, it is released in the blood, and then it goes to the target tissue, which is a certain cell of the body. And then it causes what? Effects of the testosterone, like the secondary sex characteristics, deeper voice, increased aggression, and so forth. So